Hey everyone! So I finally finished my engine build, and honestly, I'm really proud of how it turned out. I made a few big upgrades compared to the previous version. First of all, I increased the throttle travel using the valve flap mechanism. So now the throttle opens a lot wider, which gives the engine more range and better overall movement. It just feels way smoother when it runs. This engine actually has a dual overhead cam setup, so there are two camshafts controlling the valves, which makes the whole system more realistic and more complex. It took me quite a while to get the timing right so everything moves in sync. I installed these springs right here, but they're honestly too stiff. They work, but they're putting too much pressure on the system. I'm planning to replace them with softer ones soon so the valves can move more freely. For now, though, it still runs, just not as efficiently as it could. On this entire row over here, there are no springs yet. That's one of the last things I still need to finish. On the exhaust side, though, the springs are already installed and working properly. So half of the system is fully functional, and the other half is almost there. I also completely redesigned the cylinder head. Before, it had a problem where it would shift sideways when the engine was running. Now it's much more stable. I made it slightly wider to prevent that movement. The only downside is they became pretty heavy, but the added stability was worth it. Another cool thing I added is a single exhaust output. All the valves are connected so everything exits through one exhaust pipe. Technically, this whole exhaust section is removable, but I secured it with tape on the sides for now because the electric starter was causing it to break off. I'll probably redesign that part later so it's stronger. Now let me show you the electric starter. This is how it starts the engine. And here's how you remove the fuse. You just take it out like this, and then put it back in, and the engine runs again. Seeing it actually spin and function like a real engine is honestly crazy.